Hi, I'm JWen, and I'm an artist, photographer, and gardener. For the past few years, I've been studying and documenting something called phenology. And phenology is the study of periodic plant and animal life cycle events and how these are influenced by seasonal and interannual variations in climate as well as habitat factors. So there are a couple projects that I've had really a lot of fun doing. So I've worked with an ecologist and a biologist studying in Central Park Conservancy, and they've been documenting the invasive species that have been not originally planted in Central Park. So these are plants that maybe were dropped by birds, so bird seeds and, birds that maybe like their bird poop, and then the seeds will plant on the ground, and they're not original from the original design of Central Park. And so I've worked with Regina Alvarez from Central Park Conservancy and Daniel Atha from New York Botanic Garden, and they got this grant to document and collect these species from Central Park, which is really exciting to watch them work. And then a second thing that was really fun to do is collecting these little cool horseshoe crabs from Plum Beach. And this was done actually with a professor here, Christina Colon, and she's in the science department. And so they do this, I think they do this every year. And these strange creatures are, that's half a shell, and they're ancient. And so what we did on that trip was we pick up these little tiny horseshoe crabs during low tide on the beach, and we measured them, and we were counting how many there were in this one season. And then they take this information back, and we also collected the eggs from the beach. So they gather all this information and take it back to them to the lab, and so that they have this data to see what the population count is like and if they're growing, because this is a very important species for us as human beings, because we use their blood to test for like our diseases or sicknesses. So for the photography workshop, this is an example of what I've done in the past, and this is the beach during low tide. So we're going to pair off in groups or pairs. And so what does storytelling mean to you? What do you know about environmental advocacy? So doing this study with the scientists, I've really learned a lot just by collecting the eggs and going with them to grab these little tiny horseshoe crabs that will become this big, hopefully, in one point of their life. When we go out on the canvas, we'll go out onto the beach, and we'll first scout the location, and we'll see. You get to pick, where you want to focus on, because there is little details. I mean, you can see the whole beach, but there are little sections of the beach that you can focus on. So you have to choose a theme or a subject to focus on, and then frame the composition of the shot and take the picture. And then try out different angles, and you try going really high or really low with the camera, and use your body when you take the picture, because you'll be surprised what you can get just by going down really low and then getting a different perspective of a subject.
Just running around.
Picture taking. We can focus on composition. So let's say there's three parts to a picture. Here's like the bottom part, middle part, and the top part. And so if you take a picture, some people tend to just take the picture and they frame everything in the center. Do that, but try and move around in the angles, and because you'll get different dimensions when you do that. And then if you're taking pictures of the scenery, do the high and low, because you also get different dimensions, and that makes your picture more interesting. Let me know if you have any questions.
last semester I did my research paper on plastic debris and the marine animals offshore and onshore. So since then I pay a lot of attention to actually interaction on animals with those debris. So basically, yeah, if I see like seagulls, picking up trash and stuff, so it's fascinating.
Yeah.
How we affect them.
I accidentally fed a seagull. I know it's a no-no, but they were
too,
there.
Actually, a few weeks ago, it wouldn't leave. It's just like I was eating bagel.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe that's something that you want to focus on.
So, because they want to do it on sustainability. So any ideas you guys have as we're out looking for pictures that show kind of, we were noticing the difference between kind of, garbage, debris, and new forms of life coming up, right? Because now we're in the springtime, so see little plants starting to maybe grow in places that they normally wouldn't. Like those would be great pictures as well.
Look at crevices, because sometimes you never know. Little flowers can come up or little weeds can come up and you don't think that they can live there, but they do. Life as subject of the enclosed capacity, and debris or things that don't belong in nature. Take a look around and maybe choose the place that you want to focus on to take pictures.